technologies with reference to the modification of data knowledge optimization design. My paper concerns with the digital forensic libraries. Nowadays, the digital forensic library is the biggest part of all types of libraries, especially in specialized libraries. If you talk about the medical libraries, in medical faculty, especially in forensic digital libraries, they are playing a vital role, especially for the jurisdiction sector and jurisdiction field, especially for the studies of the law students. They are doing study of law and jurisdiction. So it is very helpful for this. Nowadays, a digital era began for developing of ancient and traditional system of libraries for document preservation and dissemination in terms of books and cataloging of various studies. Library system is now transformed into an advanced digitalized format. It took up the incarnation of digitalized knowledge libraries. The digital library resources are capable of exploring the data of virtual forensic methodology, concerned with the mummification ancient method for preservation of date forms. The visualization of 3D scan or date mummies form is possible now because of advanced technique of CT scan through large volumetric digital bitmap images data. This advanced technique is capable of producing the minute parts of the body. For instance in the exhibit gallery of British Museum, excited to launch out the famous mummies in the collection which was known as Gabriel Man, who was buried in a crouched position in a shallow grave during the pre-dynastic period where the mummy was artificially embalmed and was naturally mummified by arid environment. Nowadays, digital era began for ramping. A tomographic scanner is processed in parallel to the activity develops bitmap images you can see here. Mummification in short way, methodology of mummification is the organs of eight persons like liver, alimentary canal, heart were removed from the body of deceased person. Then cover the whole dead body with a aromatic liquid substances like perfume sprinkled over the body and salt sprinkled on the whole body so that salt will keep the safe dead body. Volumetric rendering vector technology. Digital library is a catalyst between victim and judiciary. The advancement features now brought about in the field of libraries, which enable them into the digitalized libraries. Digital library resources are proved as a catalyst as well as precursor between judiciary system and victims. Chemical mystery behind the mummification methodology. Preservation by the chemicals. Collection of post-processing of CT data. Visualization and transformation after mummification. The digital library resources as a catalyst for decoding the mystic hieroglyphic language of Egyptian civilization. Digitalized cataloging. The digital CT scanning technology. Digital forensic laboratory investigation. It is also useful for our library part, especially digital libraries. The homely punishment is a small incident took place in the era of the Egyptian civilization. The digital indexing of Egyptian hieroglyphic alphabets. Confucius advanced digital libraries act as a precursor which is capable of preserving the desirable information demanded by library users. The digital libraries are working as a digital knowledge labs which are capable of generating executive application for producing more comfort. Its users it gives chance for exploration and research fact and development culture. Digital libraries produce immense opportunities for research and development activities. Moreover, the digital libraries offer the open exploration digital research best technology. Thank you.